What's up, guys? It's your girl Star, and I'm back with a quick video. I wanted to do this for all my ladies who's constantly asking me about my midnight snack or my day-to-day snack that I'm eating to stay thin. A girl still loves to eat, so I'm gonna show you my favorite snack that I love to eat. Let's go. So just a few things that you're going to need. I like to use bottled water, blender, lemon, and some trays here, and we're gonna get right into it. And there you have it, ladies. My favorite snack, no calories, nice and light.